Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use rectangular array in AutoCAD. So let's suppose this is the object and we wanna create the rectangular array. So for that, you have to click on this home, and here in this modify group, you have to select the third option in this third row, the little arrow over there, and then select rectangular array. Just after clicking, this command will be activated, and now you have to select the object. After selecting, press enter, and this array will show its function. Now you can use this arrow, you can click on that and you can move up and down to create more rows, or you can use this arrow to create more columns. Either you can use this one to adjust the rows, number of rows and column together, but make sure your ortho should be closed and the polar should be on. You can also increase the space or decrease the space between these rows from here, and vice versa in between these columns. You can adjust the number of rows and the spaces between rows, or the number of columns and spaces between the columns from here. You can enter the number of columns, like I'm entering 5, enter, number of rows, and enter, and the spaces, it's currently 36.7, I will enter 45, enter. Similarly here 45, enter. So as you can see, this is what we came up with. So this way you can use the array command. Also you can use the array. Let's suppose this is the another object, and you can use the array command by using the shortcut, that is AR, enter, select the object, enter, select the rectangular array, and then do the same things from here. I'll close it. So guys, this way you can use the rectangular array in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.